Okay, so we're gonna work on the jab now. In my opinion, one of the most important techniques you can learn. So again, where your hands are at, elbows down, relaxed, okay? Shoulders a little up because you gotta protect your face. Okay, so the jab, we're not gonna work on the power jab or the stepping in jab, just working on your basic flicking out jab. So what's happening is I wanna focus on this again, center line. This is not a lot of focus. A lot of boxers will throw it straight out, okay? One, I wanna go more towards center line, okay? So my center is pushing, and we don't have too much of rotation on the front foot really at all, because this is just your flicking jab, okay? So as I throw the jab, my shoulder is protecting my face, my right hand is protecting the other side of my face, and it comes directly back. Relaxed. That's the trick to this move, is have your arm and your shoulders and everything as relaxed as possible to where it flicks out, okay? And keeping your elbows tucked in, light on your feet, okay? Again, this is just your basic jab, not power, not stepping in, just your basics. This is a great weapon to keep somebody away. So again, center moves, punch goes straight out, turning over at the last second, center line. Now the target, I like to hit, since you're keeping your wrist straight, I like to hit with the whole fist, mainly in between. I don't like to focus on any particular knuckle. So if you put your hand up here, okay? And I'm not going to damage my hand. This is something you need to think about when you don't have protective gear on your hands. You don't have gloves, okay? So now we're going to show the application of the jab. The beautiful part about the application of the jab is used for everything. It's your main offensive weapon, okay? So hands up on both sides as you're punching, shoulder protecting my face, okay? So we're here, Chris, just my okay? It's just, this is the weapon that you're gauging almost everything with, okay? It doesn't have to do damage. You just, see? Just flick it out there because we know that things are coming after, okay? So just get your jabs. It's very important to get your jab well, okay? Because this is your basic technique. It's really a measuring tool. But people forget that this actually has, it damages. If you hit a good 20 jabs, even a couple jabs, to the nose, to the brows, especially with bare knuckle, okay? The jab is one of the most important techniques. Really train this a lot. And just focus on being relaxed, hands up. And remember, this is a key technique to fighting. Surprise attack. I told you.